The Teak Pro is the perfect gear when it comes to wood splitting. This tracked machine can handle logs with diameters up to 48mm and lengths up to 60cm. With its 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, the Teak Pro gets the job done quickly and efficiently. The standard option comes with a still saw chain and an enhanced lubrication system. Even better, if you use vegetable oil, you can repurpose the shavings and sawdust as litter for pets. Quite an interesting business idea. The only downside is the cost. The Teak Pro costs around $22,000. However, it works at an impressive speed of up to 4 cubic meters per hour. Compared to the Teak Pro, the next two developments may seem rather simplistic. However, behind their basic design lies meticulous attention to detail. Forest Master, the seller, insists that their machines offer unrivaled efficiency and take the logging experience to a whole new level. The first tool is the QSH Sawhorse. It acts as an extra pair of hands, holding logs up to 4 meters long and 25 centimeters in diameter. The QSH is a great choice when you need to saw through a bunch of logs by yourself. The price for the Sawhorse is $100. The second model is called the BLS-3H. It's an upgraded version of the Sawhorse, capable of supporting up to 250 kilograms. It securely holds a stack of logs with a total height of 52 centimeters. The frame is designed so that the chainsaw touches only the wood, preventing damage to the Sawhorse and chainsaw. The BLS-3H is priced at $56. The LumberMax HD38 proudly presents the family of band sawmills. This model is designed for heavy-duty operations and is capable of handling hard woods like oak. As a result, many of its components are significantly stronger and more powerful compared to similar models. For example, the HD38 features patented rails made of high-strength galvanized steel. The whole structure is engineered with towing in mind. At the client's request, the sawmill can be equipped with an advanced hydraulic system and the manufacturer's most powerful engine, offering 27 horsepower. As a result, it can easily handle logs with a diameter of up to 96 centimeters. With 26 individual options, the HD38 becomes even more versatile and user-friendly. The price of the sawmill is $13,580. The DYNA Firewood Tumbler is a device that processes firewood by rotating it in a drum, similar to how a washing machine works. This spinning motion eliminates dirt, wood chips, and leftover bark. Unlike its competitors, it offers a few key advantages. Firstly, customers can opt for either a fuel or electric power source. Secondly, it features 2 chutes that send debris in different directions, which is perfect for those who want to sort the collected material. Finally, you can purchase just the drum if you want, making it a fantastic option for those building their own system from scratch. The Ram Wedge is a hydraulic-powered tool designed as a robust alternative to traditional wedges. This innovation offers several key advantages. First, it minimizes vibration in the wood, reducing the risk of branches snapping off and causing injury. Second, operating the Ram Wedge with its lever mechanism is far easier than swinging a heavy sledgehammer. Also, the Ram Wedge offers a powerful hydraulic force of up to 5 tons, which is quite a lot. This explains why the seller strongly recommends it be used exclusively by competent and trained specialists. As for the price, it's $2,420. You're looking at KRPAN's new range of forestry winches. Designed specifically for logging equipment, these winches, known as skidding winches, stand out from the competition. KRPAN's engineers have gone above and beyond, as evidenced by 11 patents and compliance with EU safety standards. Depending on the model, the winches offer pulling forces ranging from 4.5 to 9.5 tons, and an average operating speed of 0.9 meters per second. The center of gravity for the winches has been lowered. By default, they come equipped with either a steel or synthetic rope made in Germany. The option to mount the winch at both the front and rear allows for greater flexibility when installing other equipment. However, such features don't come cheap. The base model, the KRPAN 4.5 EH, starts at $6,440. The FMMS and FM9LS are the second duo made by Forestmaster. These tools are perfect for working with firewood. The FMMS is marketed as a smart log splitter. It reduces strain on your back and shoulders and is safer than a regular axe. You can split logs up to 55 centimeters tall by simply finding a stump or a wooden block to serve as a base. The price for the FMMS is $88. The FM9LS, the second tool in the duo, is also a firewood splitter but costs less, just $50. It has a simple design and requires a separate mallet, which must be bought separately. This model excels at preparing kindling, and its 1.4 kilogram weight makes it quite portable. Iron Baltic offers this log hauling system, weighing just 60 kilograms, making it one of the lightest options on the market. It's perfect for use with ATVs when other machinery isn't available. The system supports loads of up to 500 kilograms and comes with either a manual or electric winch. With the electric version providing a pulling force of up to 1,130 kilograms. A single worker can handle lifting, securing and transporting a log on their own. Also, navigating forest trails is often easier with an ATV than with larger equipment like tractors or loaders. The estimated cost of the system is $1,000. A typical JARRAFF grows up to about 6.1 meters. Meanwhile, the JARRAFF machine guarantees a working height of up to 23 meters. Much like the long-necked creature, it reaches for branches and leaves, not for food, but for pruning. Since the branches requiring trimming often grow near power lines, its boom is made of fiberglass. The saw blade rotates 180 degrees, enabling the operator to work with perfect precision. The cabin features a touchscreen display that lets you start the engine with a single tap. For safety and to prevent mishaps, the system is password protected. To seal the deal with potential buyers, the supplier offers an optional 9-ton winch. Given this addition, a price of around $280,000 comes at no surprise. Baumalight DR448 is a tree spade commonly found in nurseries. This model is built with T1 steel, and each of its 4 spades, which dig into the soil, are equipped with their own hydraulic cylinder. When fully extended, the spades form a circle with a diameter of 122 centimeters. This size is more than sufficient to pull out trees with trunk diameters of 152 mm for conifers and 127 mm for broadleaf trees. Special machinery is not required, since the DR448 is compatible with both mini and standard skid steers. Also, like other models in the series, this tree spade comes with 2 adjustable stabilizers. They're essential for precisely adjusting the DR448 to handle varying clump sizes when digging up trees with soil. The price of the tree spade is $25,000. A forwarder is essentially an upgraded tractor designed to collect and transport logs from the harvest site to a storage area or a logging road. Today's video highlights the John Deere 2510H forwarder, the largest and most advanced model in the H series, offering plenty of room for various upgrades. The vehicle now features a new transmission and comes with multiple boom options. The F9 model boasts an extended reach of up to 10.7 meters, while the F10 is the most powerful solution on the market, ideal for those looking to use larger grapples. With a load capacity of 25 tons, the 2510H sets an impressive benchmark in the forwarder market. Will the 2510H become a hit? Sales are set to start in 2025. Dougherty Forestry MFG is committed to creating the most efficient forestry equipment on the planet. They impress the customers with the saws designed to be the very definition of speed, reaching 2,000 RPM just 4.5 seconds after starting. They can fell 1,800 trees per hour and are also great for trimming dry branches and removing stumps. The RS3400 model you see on the screen is highly effective for this kind of task, thanks to its movable boom and head. With just the press of a button, the disc turns vertical. A compact skid steer loader can lift the saw 5.5 meters above the ground. To protect the operator from falling branches, it includes a V-shaped insert and a mesh guard. The price for this saw starts at $14,500. Jeff is a master cabinet maker with over 40 years of experience. One day, he had the idea to motorize the fence of his saw table. This simple thought eventually led to the creation of Rip-It 2.0. With this modification, the saw transforms into something like a CNC machine. The craftsman spends less time on setup and more on cutting, which results in a 6-fold increase in speed. With a price starting at $1,050, the Rip-It 2.0 pays for itself in just a couple of weeks in a busy workshop. Its unique design gained attention at AWFS, an international trade show for woodworking systems and technologies. It also raised over $200,000 on Kickstarter. What do you think of it? Share your thoughts in the comments. The Baker single-end trim is a cross-cutting machine designed to trim boards to the desired length. The seller recommends this model for companies involved in the processing and disposal of lumber, such as pallet manufacturing. For example, the Baker single-end trim is perfect for bringing old boards into a uniform length, ranging from 91 to 137 centimeters. All you need to do is stack the boards and load them into the machine. It will handle the rest. It even handles sawdust and scraps, which are sent to a conveyor belt. The maximum thickness of boards that can be processed by the Baker single-end trim is 5 centimeters. Sounds great, right? But the price is a bit steep, $42,500. If the Tigercat 6900 were to stand vertically, it'd reach the height of a 5-story building. Its size and power are equally impressive. It weighs 43 tons and boasts 1,200 horsepower. So, what does this giant do? It grinds wood. This is a crucial step in many industries. For example, in the video, the Tigercat 6900 is preparing material for biomass pellet production. It can process logs, branches, sawmill waste, and much more. The machine is controlled remotely. Another feature is the service mode, where all the functions needed for maintenance are accessible without starting the engine. And now, brace yourself for the price. The Tigercat 6900 costs $930,000. This type of attachment, shaped like a massive tooth, turns excavators into unstoppable stump removers. Known in catalogues as a ripper, it's also used for digging trenches, handling boulders, and tackling various other tasks. A typical single-tooth ripper weighs about 100 kilograms and can easily break through asphalt. This makes it popular not only among forestry professionals, but also with municipal services. You can purchase one with these specifications for $544. Inventors, whether human or AI-driven, can dream up all sorts of gadgets, but they can never match the ingenuity of real-world solutions. A prime example is LASCO, a company offering the Triscorp, a 3-in-1 attachment. Mount it on an excavator and you've got yourself a machine for firewood processing. With Triscorp, the operator can lift, split, and cut logs without ever leaving the cab. It can even handle trunks up to 1.1 meters in diameter, with a cutting speed of up to 20.5 meters per second. It's the perfect tool for anyone in the firewood business. Remember we talked about the forwarder? It's often paired with another piece of equipment called a harvester. Harvesters are designed to cut down and process trees. The Japanese manufacturer Komatsu offers an interesting take on this technology. Their model, the 951XC, is the largest in their lineup, weighing about 23.2 tons. Surprisingly, despite its size, the Komatsu 951XC performs exceptionally well on steep slopes with soft ground. The 8-wheel design ensures better pressure distribution, while the cabin and crane leveling function make it easy to work even on inclines. The harvester boasts a maximum pulling force of 242 kilonewtons. Naturally, the Japanese haven't overlooked operator comfort. It features the cutting-edge Smart Forestry Precision Satellite Positioning System with an accuracy down to just a few centimeters, as well as conveniences like a fridge, radio, and reading lamp. The third duo from Forestmaster wraps up the video, introducing the FMLJ and the FMLL. The FMLJ features a clever log jack that holds the logs in an elevated position, making it much easier to work with a chainsaw. No more worrying about the chain getting caught in the dirt. The jack is designed for logs with a diameter of up to 50 centimeters and is priced at $63. The FMLL, a more expensive model priced at $119, also works with logs of the same diameter of 50 centimeters. What's the difference then? The FMLL features a more advanced design that allows it to lift the entire log off the ground.